If I ask what is the most important fact to get views on a video, then what will be your answer? Maybe you say a clickable title and thumbnail which gives high CTR and engaging editing which gives high retention. Well, these things are important, but there is something else which is more important than them, and that is the idea of the video. No matter how good the thumbnail, editing and voiceover of a video is, if the video idea is boring, then the views won't come. On the flip side, videos whose thumbnails are not special editing is at the beginner level, audio quality is also average. Such videos are viral on YouTube every day. Why? Because of a killer video idea. But the problem is that finding good video ideas is not at all an easy task. Sometimes good ideas come in everyone's mind, but they don't come again and again. So in today's video, I'll be telling you my top 4 favorite methods to come up with unlimited viral video ideas. One of these methods is method number 1, and method number 4 are my favorite. Starting with method number 1, stealing ideas. Don't go on its name. This is actually one of the most popular ways to find amazing ideas. Basically, you have to go on YouTube and find random videos which are either viral or you have recently seen, or simply watch some of your favorite creators' videos. Now, all you have to do is take inspiration from these videos, inspire from the format of these videos, and take ideas. For example, while scrolling through YouTube, a video came up in front of me, asking me how to make $1 million. It's a very simple topic, but it is really powerful. So, by taking inspiration from this topic, I can make a video idea for my channel, like asking big YouTubers how to get 1 million subscribers, or asking big YouTubers for their best YouTube advice. There you go. 2 video ideas instantly came up. In the beginning, it doesn't matter if the video is easy to make or not. Just keep writing ideas. Maybe later on, you'll get 2, 3 more ideas that you'll like. Another example is from Matt Duela. 6 things I wish I knew at 20. This is also a very good video idea that inspires me to make a video idea for my channel, like 6 things I wish I knew when starting a YouTube channel. Similarly, this video of Ali Abdal, how to manage your time as a student. I can make a video on my channel by taking inspiration from this video. How to manage your time as a YouTuber. I know this fact that most young YouTubers find difficult to manage their college or school with YouTube. So if I can make this video, I have chances that I'll get a lot of views. The video of Iman Kadsi, 5 traits of the top 1% man. I can make 5 traits of the top 1% YouTuber. Simple. So these are just examples that I've taken for my own channel. But I'm sure that along with it, you might have some ideas for your channel. Let's take another example. 5 common mistakes beginners make and share. This is a very common video format that is applied in a lot of niches, like 5 mistakes new YouTubers make or 5 mistakes to avoid when dribbling, 5 mistakes that make you noob in Free Fire, and so. And yes, it's not necessary to always take inspiration. You can go to any other channel of your niche and find videos where you can provide some extra information, or videos where you can improvise in your style, and you will have even more ideas. Number 2, YouTube search. Let's take the first example for gaming channel. Let's say our Free Fire gaming channel is there. So I'll go to YouTube search and there I'll write Free Fire. Now, if there is a particular topic related to games in your mind that you want to make a video on, then write the name of that topic. Otherwise, any random letter is typed in A to Z, let's say B. So now look, there are a lot of suggestions here, like Free Fire best settings, Free Fire best character, Free Fire best sensitivity. So these are the topics that people are searching a lot. But these are very broad topics, so we'll have to go one step further. So let's say out of all these suggestions, I'll select Free Fire best settings. So there are a lot of suggestions related to these topics, like Free Fire best settings for headshots, Free Fire best settings for 2-finger, 3-finger, control, custom HUD, and more. Now out of these, if I click on Free Fire best settings for headshot, then there will be more related topics, as you can see. So all the suggestions you're seeing here, you can add them to your video idea list. This method is really helpful because we're targeting those topics whose search volume is also high. And at the same time, competition in these topics is also less than that. The same thing can be done for someone else's niche. For example, cooking channel. So I'll search cold coffee recipe. So some suggestions have arrived here. Now let's go ahead with this. So now we have more video ideas that people are searching. So you can make videos on these topics as well. You can do this in any niche, especially if that niche is popular. Then you'll get a lot of ideas without any problem. But if this method doesn't work for you, then you can try method number 3, YouTube comments. People are not getting what they want to see. If there's any straightforward way to know this, then that's YouTube's comment section. It's one of those places on YouTube where viewers will tell you which topic you can make the next video on. If you can make videos on those topics, then viewers will come from everywhere. But we don't get views on our videos and you're talking about comments. Well, when did I tell you to look at your own videos' comments? Yes, if you have a good audience on your channel, then you can see your videos' comments. You'll get some suggestions. Otherwise, you'll have to use the comment section of bigger channels in your niche. If you look at the comments of bigger channels, then you'll see that people always request videos on any topic, which the creator of that channel hasn't provided yet. He's not able to do it for some reason. So go and do some treasure hunting in the comment section of your niche's creator. Maybe you'll get an idea that will make you viral. But this method might not work for every niche. So you can try method number 4, creating an audience profile. You'll have to take a pen and paper and make a list in which you'll create a profile of your target audience. Basically, you'll write about target audience like what they are always excited about, problems they always face. What are their dreams and goals? What are their fears? What are their questions? Etc. When you write these things, you will see that you will start getting a lot of video ideas. For example, when I was making a list of things for which my target audience is always excited, one of them was to grow more on YouTube in less time. It's simple, I know that if I upload a video in which I talk more about growth in less time, then I'll surely get the views. Similarly, if I make a list of fears for my target audience, then things like being led by the channel, setting up the wrong settings on uploading a video, ending the video ideas, or simply starting a YouTube channel. So you can see how easily video ideas can be created from all the things I've written. In fact, there are many chances of these videos being viral, because they are directly targeting a basic human emotion, that is fear. Similarly, I have written questions in the minds of my audience in a diary. So whenever I don't get any idea, I can pick a question from there and create a video by answering it. Simple. So you might be able to understand that by creating an audience profile, you can get so much information about your target audience, and then you can generate unlimited video ideas from that information. Of course, the examples I gave were for my channel, so that you can understand how I brainstorm ideas. Your thinking process can be different from mine, so go forward and explore. So now that I have shared 4 methods with you, I want you to comment and tell me which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Peace.